Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the OnePlus 12, the latest flagship from OnePlus. Packed with cutting edge features and sleek design, the OnePlus 12 aims to set new standards in smartphone industry. So let's explore its capabilities and how it performs. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. So an overview of the OnePlus 12. Prepare to be captivated by the OnePlus 12's impressive 6.7-inch AMOLED display, boasting a 160Hz refresh rate for unparalleled responsiveness and fluidity. Powered by the Snapdragon Gen 3 8 chip, this device delivers lightning-fast performance and exceptional energy efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking and immersive gaming experiences. The advanced triple camera setup, featuring a remarkable 200 megapixel primary sensor, promises to capture breathtaking photos and videos with unmatched detail and dynamic range. Now let's talk about performance and battery life. Equipped with the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the OnePlus 12 stands out with its unmatched performance for gaming, multitasking and productivity tasks. This chip's neural engine enhances app performance and overall user experience, while optimized battery management ensures extended usage throughout the day with its 50,000 mAh battery. Additionally, the 100-watt fast charger ensures you have enough for the time. Now let's talk about the camera setup. The OnePlus 12 features a versatile and powerful camera setup that includes a 200 megapixel primary sensor that captures stunningly detailed images with vibrant colors. Next up, the 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscape shots and group photos. And the last lens on this setup is the 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Offers 5 times optical zooms for crisp, clear close-ups. And back it all up, enhanced software features as Nightscape, Pro Mode and AI scene detection ensures the best shot in any condition. Now let's talk about the display and design. The OnePlus 12 sports a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 refresh rate, providing smooth and buttery visuals. The edge-to-edge design, combined with a sleek and slim profile, makes it comfortable to hold and stunning to look at. The device is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring durability against scratches and drops. Let's talk about storage and connectivity. The OnePlus 12 comes with up to 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring plenty of space for apps, photos and videos. It supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable connections whenever you are. Now let's talk about software. Running the Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14, the OnePlus 12 offers a clean, customizable user experience. The software is optimized for performance and efficiency, with focus on user-friendly features and minimalistic bloatware. Now, lastly, let's talk about security. Ensuring an in-display fingerprint sensor and advanced facial recognition, the OnePlus 12 offers quick and secure access to your device. Additionally, it comes with enhanced privacy features and regular security updates to keep your data safe. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 represents the pinnacle of mobile innovation, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with sophisticated design. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or a productivity guru, this device is guaranteed to exceed your expectations with its unparalleled performance and versatility. And well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.